Welcome back to Bat Mackey's classroom. We're going to talk about another method of teaching long division. I know, yet another new way to learn how to do something you already know how to do. But some of you might not. This method is called the partial quotient method. A quotient is the answer to a division problem. And this method allows you to use something called friendly numbers, or numbers that you already know, in order to make the division process easier. I'm going to use the same number that I used in a previous video, 453 divided by 3. The same statement. In this case, you write it the same way that you would a regular long division problem. 3 divided into 453. So the same way. However, in this case, you are going to add a separation line down the side in order for you to keep track of the numbers that you've divided, the partial pieces of the quotient. In this case, you start looking for friendly numbers, numbers that you already know how to multiply, like 1 or 3 or 5, 10, maybe even 100. The largest amount of something that you know how to take out. In this case, I might start with the number 100. I know already, because 100 is a friendly number, what 3 100s is. That's 300. So if I take out 100 threes, I can take out 300 right away. So if I were to do that, I'd subtract. I always start in the ones when subtracting. So 3 take away 0 is 3. 5 take away 0 is 5. And 4 take away 3 is 1. I'm left with 153. Now I know that 103s will not fit in there. I cannot take out another 300. But I might look for another friendly number that I know, like 53s. 50 is the same as 5 times 3 with a 0 as a backpack. So 53s is 150. I could subtract those now. 3 take away 0 is 3. 5 take away 5 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. These zeros are not necessary because they come at the front of the number. So I don't have to put them there. I'm going to erase them to be less confusing. This 3, however, is all that's left. How many 3's fit into this? Well, that's an easy friendly number. It's a 1. 1 3. 3 take away 3 is 0. I have nothing left, which means I can't take out anymore, and they've come out as equal groups if I have nothing left at the bottom. Now I just add the friendly numbers I took out. My quotient is made up of these parts, 100 plus 50 plus 1, which is 151. So my partial quotient method came out as the same response as my previous question. So the answer to this question, 453, divided by 3 is 151 using the partial quotient method.